How's it going? So I designed this little bracket and printed it in 3D with some resin, engineering resin. It's going to go right up here, if you can see in there, to help secure the top two holes to the bracket. I don't know, yeah, you can probably see it from this angle. So you can see that only the bottom holes are connected, are through the metal bracket. This piece will fit up there and help support the weight of this assembly on that metal plate. Let's see if it fits. Well, it fits like a glove. You really gotta love, whoa, let's not do the strobe. You really gotta love how 3D design and printing, is available to just the common guy, right? I used Tinkercad's free program. It's kind of it's a hokey little CAD program, but if you're making little parts like this, it's perfect. And yeah, it does fit exactly as it was planned to fit. Clamps right under that plate. The holes lined up perfect. I'm happy. It'll do. But yeah, 3D CAD design available via the web for any schmo who's got a PC and access to the internet. And of course, you have to have a 3D printer to print the things, but to me, it's just amazing these days how we can just, if we need a part, we can design it, print it, use it. Pretty cool.